In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a buy limit on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to TradeLocker, and then inside your platform over here, you can go ahead and go down to the bottom right where you can buy and sell. And if you actually want to sell the buy limit order, go ahead and click on this arrow up over here. And then up here, select not market, but pending. So the pending order is basically going to be the buy limit. And if you click on buy over here, as you can see over here, it now says buy limit. After that, you now have to select, of course, the price you want to buy at, and then after you do that, you can go ahead and hit buy limit, and then of course how much you want in either lots or USD, and then you are pretty much good to go, and you've successfully set your buy limit on TradeLocker. You can also do this a bit quicker. You can go down here, and then you can just select between market and limit by clicking over here like this. As you can see, it's going to say pending, that's basically the limit one, or market, which is basically a market order. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.